Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Imagine thinking the light is still yellow. I caught a nice lightning strike last night. Blind driver on the road. This guy loses control of his dog on a highway. Merging is too difficult, so let's both just stop. Nothing crazy, I'm just having a bad day.
Comes after Leeds lost 4-0 to QPR last night.
Capital weather.
Check the weather on Global Player, the official Capital app. Mostly cloudy in London with rain or drizzle at times, highs of 14 from below.
My little brother is saying, wish anything you want, it'll be done. Almost hit the two semi-truck's rear tires in my lane if it wasn't for my GF telling me to move over. This driver is taking turns as if he is on the track. Almost got hit by a pallet today. This idiot pulled out in front of my fiancée today. Don't be an idiot like me and brake way too close. not in a car, but still an idiot. I don't think you can drive there, mate.
Two hours later.
Take your time, please. When you have kids, but you really wanted a sports car. Since red doesn't necessarily mean stop, green shouldn't mean go immediately. It's about time people in Los Angeles learned their lesson about trying to sneak through red lights to make a left. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.